Alright, well I finally found the horse area. So we're going to take a walk through the horse barn over here. And then they got all kinds of horse equipment, looks like. I don't know if they got anything working or not, but yeah. There's an old school wagon over there. Let's go check that out. But yeah, it turns out it was right behind the Chevrolet tent here, and I didn't even see it. Just walked in a big circle. Troy Consolidated School, Troy, Iowa, 1915. Wonder if Ray Bestos made those brake shoes there. Just a little joke, but yeah, if you went to school on one of these, you're probably getting a little long in the tooth. Pretty cool. Long tongue on that thing. Alright, let's come in the horse barn and see if we can't see some actual living creatures. Oh, yeah, there's a bunch of them. Got all kinds of them in here. Got Belle and Babe. Tom and Sam. Good looking animals. Just in here doing what they do, chomping and eating. Waiting for something to pull. Iowa draft horse. You got draft horses over there. Look at these beauties. Pretty cool. I got them all harnessed up and ready to go. Powerful animals. Big horses. My goodness. There goes the steam train again. Lots of people on the steam train. Guys like that noise again. I don't really like that noise. Huh, buddy? Yeah, I understand. No? Lots of animals. Goodness, that's a big tall horse right there. Threshers. We're watching probably what's the ending here of the what they call the cavalcade of power, where they bring all the cars, trucks, tractors, dozers, steam engines, everything down here, down in front of the grandstands. It's been going on for about an hour already. I was just sitting here editing another video that I did, so, and I got that one done, so I figured I'd record a little bit more here. It's a big old case steam road engine here coming down the road. Yeah, they got all ages here. Look at this little guy up here. He can't be more than maybe 7, 8 years old. Running that John Deere down the street here. Got a whole family over there on that case. Love to see that. like music to my ears. Apologize if my camera works a little shoddy here. There's a glare and the sun's right behind me. Can't see nothing on the screen, so I'm just pointing in the general direction and letting her go. Big old steam engine right there, 25 horsepower. Minneapolis, 25 horsepower, it says on the back of it there. Old steel wheel Atlas Chalmers. John Deere with a 2-row seeder behind it. Usually you see those, they're all rusted away in the dirt, sitting on an old fence row somewhere, been there for about 30, 40 years. I've never seen one of those. Case steamroller. Old 560 diesel just humming along. Sounds like a sewing machine. Alright, I think I'm going to go ahead and shut this off.